This may be the most powerful copy trading tool I have ever built in my life. So powerful, I was considering not even making it public, but I did. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. Welcome back to Copy Trader, where we help you actually make money on the Solana and BNB networks. Today, I'm going to be talking about a new tool which I just finished building. And the whole goal of this tool is to help you find the best snipers to copy trade. Snipers who are getting into tokens early that do insane numbers. Snipers whose stats are so clean, they make more than most people do in their full-time job. And I know what you're thinking. Copy trading snipers is stupid. The slippage is too high. And those points used to be valid before the copy trader tools allowed you to backtest any sniper using any slippage to find the ones who you can win with and to avoid the ones you can't. And the best part is, when you lose, you barely lose anything. Here's a token which I bought into which didn't go well. Let's look at the charts. The token is dead. No one will ever buy into this token again. But because I bought into this token so low, all the way down here, I'm only down 28%. I can simply sell that at any time for a tiny loss. But as you've seen before, when I win big. So if I can find a strategy with a 30 to 40% win rate that when I win, I make 179%, and when I lose 28%, then that's the golden ticket. So enough hype, let me show you how it works. So when you log into copytrader.com, you'll notice in the Pro Tools tab that there is a new feature called Find Snipers. Now this is different than the Find Early Buyers tool, which allows you to find the first 500 buyers of any token. What the Find Snipers tool will do is allow you to find all the snipers from the last 100 migrated tokens or from any trader's last 50 trades on the Solana, BNB, Ethereum, Base, or Monad networks. And it will instantly scrape and analyze all of those snipers and spit them out into an easy to read sortable grid. Now we just scanned the last 100 migrated tokens. We found 533 unique snipers of those tokens, only people who bought in the first second. And the whole list can be found down here. So now we're going to filter that list to find the traders that we like. In this case, I'm going to use a 50% win rate, 10% minimum ROI, at least 20 tokens traded, at least 0.3 Solana, and I don't really care about anything else. So this gives us a refined list of snipers who are achieving consistently high profit sniping the best tokens. Now, why am I so excited about copy trading snipers? Well, I'm excited about copy trading in general. You can copy trade devs, you can copy trade snipers, you can copy trade scalpers, you can copy trade anyone. Copy trading bot technology has come so far, and our tools allow you to test any combination of entry, exit, take profit, stop loss, trailing stop loss to know exactly what would happen while copy trading any trader. But snipers are getting into tokens early. They are getting into tokens the first second that they launch. And if a sniper knows what they are doing, then they know how to find the best tokens to snipe. And if you've ever tried this, you know that this is extremely grueling and time consuming. So I pose the question, would you rather spend all of that time, spend all of that money on private nodes, fancy sniper bots, or would you just rather let someone do it for you? And you don't even have to worry about slippage, because I've found that I've been able to get into trades with slippage as small as 7%. And not only that, but copy trading bots routinely are now able to enter into trades on a dip. And what's so exciting about this feature used in combination with snipers is that with the right fees, with the right settings, you could be getting a lower entry than snipers who are getting in at a $3,800 market cap by entering on a 1 to 5% dip. Meaning even on marginally performing tokens, you could be making a quick 80% profit, more than the person you are copying. And that literally just happened in my Odin bot, where the sniper who I'm copying entered at a $3,750 market cap, and they completely round tripped, and I had my bots at a 4% dip. So I entered the trade in the second candle as the token dipped down 4% below 3,750. And I was able to hit my take profit of 175%. And this literally happened while recording this video. And these are not just singular wins amongst a bunch of losses. This is actual profit. 0.56 Solana already with just 6 tokens traded with this trader, and a small buy size of just 0.2. And on top of that, I've been finding that even with slippage as high as 30%, including fees and predicted latency, you could still find profitable strategies that would yield consistent results. Now you'll find when copy trading snipers that the strategies are usually lower win rate, higher take profit strategies. The reason being is because you're going to enter loads of trades and they're not all going to do well. But the ones that don't, since you're entering quite low, you only stand to lose around 20 to 40%. And the ones that do well, you can make 200 to 400%, no problem. So the game is not to win every trade. The game is to win big and to lose small. And if the differential between your wins and your losses is big enough, then 20% is more than enough to supply a consistent source of profits. Now, this is no joke. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. And I'm not saying this is the easiest strategy in the world. You need to endure a lot of losses and be strong enough not to sell your position too early, to trust in the numbers, to trust in the analysis and the back testing, and to let things happen. But if you can do that, I believe fully that anyone can make a consistent source of profit copy trading snipers on the Solana, the BNB network, and even the other networks. Now, I literally just pushed this tool live today. I've been working on it for the last 3 weeks. So I'm still learning the ins and outs of it myself, but the potential is enormous. You only need one of these traders who are trading 5 to 10 times a day to make a consistent source of profits. And inside of the copy trader tools, we've got courses to walk you through every step of the process. So even if you're a beginner, you can get into this game relatively quickly. But I'll tell you the basics of how our system works. First, you find the best traders. I just showed you how to do that with the sniper tool. But we have a lot of tools for doing that. You can find the earliest buyers, the latest buyers, buyers using a small buy size, top traders by profit and loss, top traders by volume, and now snipers. You can do this on any token you want. Once you've found the traders and you've looked through their trades and you like what you see, you think there's potential even if you're getting in a terrible position to make profit, then all you have to do is take that trader and run them through a trade data generator to get their last set of trades into a numerical CSV format. This is the price they entered and this is the price movement on the chart that would have an effect on stop loss, take profit, or trailing stop loss, including where the trader sold. Then you take this data, you download it, and you upload it into one of our strategy analyzers. For snipers, it's usually the one where you're not copying the trader's sell, because you don't want to copy the sniper's sell or else you're going to get slippage up and then also slippage down. We want to endure the slippage up unless we're buying in a dip. Call it a tax for not having to do all the work to find the best devs and having to buy all the sniping gear. It's not a big deal. And once you do that, you input your realistic buy size, the actual slippage you expect to be getting copying this trader, which in this case is about 19%. You input the percentage of the fees you expect to pay in comparison to your buy side, and the latency or the additional ROI you expect to lose on trades that hit stop loss because of the delay in selling the token, which is usually around 5%. You choose how many times you want to buy each token. In this case, when copying sniper, I suggest once. And then you also can set a max token age. For snipers, easy to set 2 seconds. And you can even set a max entry market cap. But we'll know more about that when we hit analyze. So now I'm going to analyze over 120,000 possible combinations of entry, exit, take profit, and stop loss. And once again, a low win rate, high take profit strategy as expected. You can go through and see the result of every single trade. And you can come down to see a cumulative chart of what it would look like to trade with this trader. And this is exactly what would have happened over the last 120 trades. If you don't believe it, go back and test. Look at one of these trades. For this one, Sanchez. Open Sanchez up in Photon. So zoom out, take the ruler, look at the price you would have entered with your given slippage and with your trader's entry, and then measure for yourself. So in this case, we would definitely hit our take profit of 800%. But if you're not satisfied with a 9.2% win rate, then you can come here and see the all combinations tab, and you can look for a strategy with a higher win rate. The total return on investment is going to go down, but a 46% win rate may be more attractive to some people. You can come here and see exactly what that strategy would look like on the charts. On top of that, maybe you don't want to endure slippage at all. Maybe you only want to get into tokens that after they pump, they retrace down before going back up. Then you can check for that by using a dip entry, and you're only going to enter on a dip if your target wallet has not sold the token yet. So with a dip entry, the win rate is still quite small. But once again, I can get it way higher. But then I'm only getting into 38 out of 120 trades because only 38 trades dip to a -4% before the trader sold. And on top of all of that, one of the best strategies to use is to use a trailing stop loss with snipers, because so many tokens will go up and then go back down without hitting your take profits. And to go all the way back down to your stop loss would just be silly. So what you can do is you can come here, you can choose any strategy. Let's choose this one, and you can check for what the results would be with using all combinations of trailing stop loss. So with a 0% entry, 900% take profit, 35% stop loss, and all of our other settings, including our 19% slippage, you can come down and see exactly what the results would be if we used trailing stop loss. And in this case, if we used a trailing stop loss, which triggered at 140% and sold if we dropped 65% after that point, our win rate would go up to 19.2% and we'd have a 47.9% return on investment versus the original 40. Now I like that. So I can come into the manual strategy tab again, and I can see exactly what our final strategy would look like on the cumulative chart. So let's do 140% with a 65% drawdown, 1 buy per token, 19% slippage, max token age of 2 seconds. Then we can see our results, we can see every trade, and now we see we are making money with trailing stop loss where we would have lost, and we are still hitting our take profit quite consistently. And we can come all the way down and see exactly what our cumulative chart now looks like. And we can even see if market cap settings can help us make even more money, in which case they can, because we can see that above a $4,070 entry, our trader has a -33% return on investment when we copy them. So I can come in here and I can improve this even more by saying I don't want to get into any tokens in which my trader enters at a higher market cap than $4,070. And I can retest that and see that results have gone even higher. I can come back down and take a look at my new chart. And I love this chart. Big wins, a lot of scorecards to show off to your friends, very little downside. You just need to not freak out if you lose 8 or 9 or even 10 trades in a row. Just relax, trust that the wins will come. And again, I can see that we're still losing a lot of trades above 39.50. So I can improve this even more. So it's an iterative process, a lot of going back and forth, but eventually you're coming out with a strategy that will yield the most consistent results. And that's it. Like I said, this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is not bullshit. This is just numbers. This is numbers on a screen, and the numbers don't lie. And this is not financial advice, but I'm just sharing what I believe to be an incredible opportunity for anyone to make money copy trading. I myself am going to be going full steam ahead on this, and I was considering not sharing this with anyone. I was worried that the best snipers would become over copy, but with the ability to buy on a dip, that doesn't even matter. And there's so many snipers out there to copy. It's insane. Here's a bunch of snipers I found on the BNB network with one search. So that's it. That's the latest addition to the CopyTrader tools. Nothing in this video is to be considered financial advice. This is purely educational, and everything is just my opinion. I am not a financial advisor in any way, shape, or form. And please never copy trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. And never copy trade if it feels like gambling to you and it is addictive to you. This should be fun. This should be predictable. This is a way to make as much money as you want. I don't like to gamble. I don't like to feel like I'm gambling or chasing a high. I like to form strategies and gain predictable results. Sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes a trader is doing great and then they start to suck. You just never know. So always trade responsibly and with money that you can afford to lose. That's it. I'll leave this video here. If you have any questions at all, you can comment them below. You can email me at sean@copytrader.com. Copytrader.com has 2 R's if you're interested in signing up. And with that, thanks for watching. If you liked this, please drop a like. Please subscribe. We'll be coming out with more content soon in the future. And I'll see you in the next video.